Good morning. 2:22 in the morning of the morning of Sunday, July 31st, 2011. We're coming up on the last day that I'll be working here at the farm. Not exactly, I'm not exactly leaving the farm. I'm going to take a sabbatical. Take my sabbatical. Technically, tonight when I come in, which is still Sunday, by midnight it turns into Monday. So by Monday, I leave at the early hours after I've secured the farm here at Lago Vista. And after I secure the farm, I head over to the Austin airport. So I gotta be there at 2 hours early. And it's really just an hour flight from Austin to Houston. And in Houston, I get a connecting flight that takes me directly to South Korea. And then get another connecting flight that takes me directly to Fiji. There I start my vacation. Finally, oh man. 3 years of COVID. I've been sick twice of COVID. I've been stung by Black Widow spider. I almost died in the hospital because the heart technician did something wrong, and I almost bled to death that night. I've been through a lot of horrible things, but the Lord God has not allowed me to die, so He has something set up for me. So, other than that, we're gonna take this to the next level. I'm gonna try to carry my camera with me as much as I can. I'm carrying a carrying bag and a backpack. My backpack is, have personal stuff and cameras, and my carry-on bag will have my clothing and my shoes and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try to carry my Insta360 1X2 for as long as possible, unless TSA says otherwise. Then I gotta respect our laws and the international laws also. I believe American flights do not require masks, but if you're leaving towards the Asian countries, you're gonna be required to wear a mask in the airline. So that's gonna be a game changer there, because I mean, even just when we were here in the United States and we were mandatory masks, I could barely breathe on those things. Can you imagine up on an airline, sitting next to someone else, and I got the mask on? I was like, I freaking choke. I hope the air stewardesses will allow us to at least bring the mask down to our noses and so we can breathe. Because you're looking at a flight from Houston to South Korea, you're looking at 17 and a half hours, which means that even though I take off in the morning, it'll be breakfast, it'll be lunch, it'll be dinner, and then like a little serving of ice cream, or I don't know what. I'm not sure what Korean Airlines will serve. That's where I'm traveling under Korean Airlines, South Korea Airlines. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then I guess we crash out. I'll probably be sleeping most of the way. If necessary, I put on that mask take up a couple of those methodoptus, the little natural pills. It's not a drug, it's actually a natural pill that helps you sleep. You know, just taking one or two, in 5 minutes, I'm conked out. So, the faster I can get through this, because it's 17 and a half hours all the way to South Korea, the better it is. And then it's another 8 more hours from South Korea to Fiji, and it might be in a smaller jet because the Fiji Islands are very small. The airports are not that big. Let's see how it goes. It's gonna be my first time that I'm taking a vacation after COVID, after the world was shut down because China decided to make a virus. Now I'm being real here. I'm starting to think that it's not really China. After I heard Dr. Fauci on television so much, it gives me to wonder that it might have been manufactured in China, but I think I know who's responsible now. But I'm not gonna name any names anymore. But anyways, this is my take for today, and you'll wish me luck. I'll try to get back on whenever there's internet or Wi-Fi available. And we'll see what happens. I'll ask my mom, my family, to give me a last prayer before I board the aircraft, and wish me a safe travels. So I'll see you all in the next trip, on the next video. It'll probably be somewhere in the Fiji Islands, or it might be in South Korea. It all depends if they allow us to use cameras inside the airport. Until then, you all be careful. Stay away from COVID-19 carriers, and you all be safe, and God bless.